Now in this lecture we are going to see the derivatives of parametric functions. Derivatives of parametric functions. Okay. Now what is parametric functions? Now we consider, see what I have written here. Now we consider y as a function of x. We have considered the y as a function of x. हमने जितने भी अभी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किए थे अब तक उसमें y क्या है, function of x, where both x and y are functions of a variable t. Okay. Now if you check here, x is a function of some another variable t and y is a function of variable t. See, both are functions of t. This function is different and this function is also different. Both are differentiable functions of t. Then y is a differentiable function of x. Then y is a differentiable function of x and dy by dx. Then dy by dx is given by dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Then dy by dx is given by dy by dt divided by dx by dt, provided dx by dt should not be equal to 0. Okay. Now here x is a function of t and y is also some another function of t. So we will differentiate x with respect to t. यहाँ पे t क्या हो गया, parameter. See, x and y are functions of a variable t. So here t is called as a parameter. Okay. So we will differentiate with respect to the parameter dx upon dt. We will find the value of dx upon dt. Here also we will find the value of dy by dt. Then how you will find a dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt, provided the condition is the denominator should not be equal to 0. Okay. So we will start with the exercise based on this problems or based on this formula. So here it is, exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4 from your 12th standard science syllabus. 12th standard science syllabus from differentiation chapter. Okay. So this exercise is based on derivatives of parametric function. This exercise is based on derivatives of parametric functions. Now here what is given? Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx if x is equal to a into t square and y is equal to 2at. So if you see here, both x and y are functions of t. So here t is a parameter. Okay, इस पे यहाँ पे t क्या है, parameter है, and x and y are both are the functions of t. So how you will write the solution? So here x is equal to a into t square. So differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Okay. So what is dx by dt? Dx by dt is equal to d by, see we are differentiating with respect to the parameter d by dt of at square. D by dt of at square. So here a is a scalar, a taken outside, into derivative of t square, into derivative of t square. You are differentiating t square with respect to t. So derivative of t square using x raised to n formula, it is 2t. So this is your value for dx upon dt. This is your value for dx upon dt. So what is dx upon dt? It is equal to 2at. It is equal to 2at. Similarly, and what is y? Y is equal to 2at. Again it is a function of t. So differentiate with respect to t. So what is dy by dt? Dy by dt is equal to d by dt of 2at. So again 2a is scalar, 2a taken outside, derivative of t with respect to t is 1. So it is equal to 2a. This is your value for dy by dt. This is your value for dy by dt. Now by derivatives of parametric functions, by derivatives of parametric functions, what is the formula? Dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx upon dt. The formula is dy by dt divided by dx upon dt. So what is dy by dt? Dy by dt is equal to 2a and dx upon dt is 2at. So 2a get cancelled. The answer is 1 upon t. The required answer is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon t for the first problem. Okay. तो हमने यहाँ पे क्या कर दिया, x और y दोनों किसके फंक्शंस थे, t के फंक्शंस थे, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे dx by dt निकाला, dy by dt निकाला. एंड व्हाट इज dy by dx? dy by dt अपॉन dx by dt, प्रोवाइडेड dx by dt शुड नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0, जो कि यहाँ पे 0 नहीं है, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे डिवाइड कर दिया. ओके. Now we will see the next problem, the third problem. So here x is equal to root of a square plus m square and y is equal to log of a square plus m square. Okay, now if you see here also m, here also it is m. So m क्या हो गया यहाँ पे, पैरामीटर हो गया. So how you will write the solution? X is equal to root of a square plus m square. So differentiate with respect to m. Differentiate with respect to m. So it is dx upon dm. dx upon dm. Derivative of root. Root का derivative क्या है? 1/2 root a square plus m square into derivative of a square plus m square. Okay, so it is equal to 1/2 root a square plus m square into derivative of a square constant 0, m square का derivative हो गया 2m. Okay, so it is 2m divided by 2 into root of a square plus m square. 2 get cancelled, hence the value of dx upon dm, hence the value of dx upon dm is m divided by root of a square plus m square. m divided by root of a square plus m square. Okay, ये वैल्यू हो गया dx upon dm का. Now we will see the value for y. Y is equal to log of a square plus m square. Y is equal to log of a square plus m square. So differentiate with respect to m. So what is dy by dm? Derivative of log. You are differentiating with respect to m. Parameter क्या है? m, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे derivative m से लिया है. Derivative of log is 1/a square plus m square into d by dm of a square plus m square. So it is equal to 1/a square plus m square. Derivative of a constant 0, m square का derivative हो गया 2m. So it is equal to 2m divided by a square plus m square. This is your value for dy by dm. Okay, and what we require by derivatives of parametric functions, by derivatives of parametric functions, what is dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to dy by dm divided by dx upon dm. So what is dy by dm? dy by dm का वैल्यू क्या है? 2m divided by a square plus m square, डिनोमिनेटर dx upon dm का वैल्यू क्या है? m upon root of a square plus m square. So it is equal to 2m divided by a square plus m square into, ये जो डिनोमिनेटर का डिनोमिनेटर है ये रूट में स्क्वायर न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा और डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा m. इसका रेसिप्रोकल यहाँ पे हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. m गेट कैंसल्ड एंड ये रूट कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सी इट इज़ ये रूट कैंसिल हो जाएगा ये टर्म के साथ. तो यहाँ पे 2 रूट है. तो व्हाट इज़ योर आंसर? 2 डिवाइडेड बाय रूट ऑफ a square plus m square. 2 डिवाइडेड बाय रूट ऑफ a square plus m square. रूट इसके साथ कैंसिल हुआ है तो वहाँ पे क्या रह जाएगा? रूट रह जाएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज रूट एक्स डिवाइडेड बाय एक्स है तो रूट एक्स, ये एक्स को हम क्या लिखते हैं? रूट एक्स इंटू रूट एक्स. तो ये कैंसिल हो गया है तो व्हाट इज़ रिमेनिंग? 1/√x. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर में रूट है और डिनोमिनेटर में पूरा टर्म है. न्यूमरेटर में रूट है और डिनोमिनेटर में पूरा टर्म है. So it is like this. Okay, now we will see the next problem. X is equal to fifth one. X is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta and y is equal to b into theta minus sin theta. Now what is the parameter here? Parameter is theta. Okay, now we will differentiate x with respect to theta. We are starting with the solution. So here x is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Now differentiate with respect to theta. So what is dx upon d theta? See, you are differentiating with respect to theta. So it is a into 1 minus cos theta. A is a scalar, A taken outside, derivative of 1, or you can write here d by d theta of 1 minus cos theta. Okay, एक स्टेप बढ़ जाएगा. Derivative of 1 constant 0, minus sign as it is, derivative of cos theta minus of sin theta, so minus of minus will become plus sin theta. So it is equal to A into sin theta. This is your value for dx upon d theta. This is your value for dx upon d theta. Now we will find dy by d theta. So what is y? And y is equal to b into theta minus sin theta. Y is equal to b into theta minus sin theta. Okay. Now again it is a function of theta. So differentiate with respect to theta. So dy by d theta, it is equal to d by d theta of b into theta minus sin theta. We have applied d by d theta on both sides of the equation. So scalar b taken outside, apply the derivative theta minus sin theta. Okay, ये d by theta अंदर के ब्रैकेट में अप्लाई कर दिया, b taken outside. So b into derivative of theta with respect to theta 1, minus sign as it is, derivative of sin theta cos theta. So it is your value b into 1 minus cos theta. This is a value for dy by d theta. Let this be 2. Now by derivatives of parametric functions, by derivatives of parametric functions, what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx upon d theta. So it is equal to, what is dy by d theta? B into 1 minus cos theta, denominator a into sin theta. Okay, and what is the formula of 1 minus cos theta? So it is b into 1 minus cos theta 2 sin square theta by 2, and in half angle a taken outside, in half angle what is the formula for sin theta? Sin theta का formula क्या है half angle के terms में? 2 into sin theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2. Okay, 2 into sin theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2. 2 get cancelled, sin cancelled with the square. So what is remaining? b by a into sin theta by 2 divided by cos of theta by 2. So it is equal to b by a, sin upon cos is tan of theta divided by 2. Sin upon cos is tan of theta divided by 2. This is your value for dy by dx. ये जितने भी प्रॉब्लम्स हम ले रहे हैं सबके सब इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम चल रहे हैं. Now if you see here next problem, 7th one, question number 1 का 7th प्रॉब्लम है ये. x is equal to cos inverse of 2t divided by 1 plus t square and y is equal to sec inverse of root of 1 plus t square. So if you see both x and y are functions of t, so we have to find the value of dx upon dt and dy by dt. Okay, now इसके आगे अगर आप देखोगे तो outside it is a inverse function and this term is, this bracket is an expression. Okay, तो हमने जो exercise 1.2 solve किया था derivatives of inverse function, उसमें एक्सप्रेशन के लिए सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड हमने यूज़ किया था. पर्टिकुलर एक्सप्रेशन के लिए हमने क्या यूज़ किया था? सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड. सो वी विल सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम यूजिंग दैट मेथड ओनली. सो एक्स इज इक्वल टू कॉस इनवर्स ऑफ 2t डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ 2t डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर, उसके लिए सब्स्टिट्यूशन था पुट t इज इक्वल टू tan थीटा. सो पुट t इज इक्वल टू tan ऑफ थीटा. Hence what is theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse of t. Okay, hence x will become, x is equal to cos inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. And this is a formula for, ये किसका formula है? 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. This is a formula for sin of 2 theta. This is a formula for sin of 2 theta. So it is equal to cos inverse of sin of 2 theta. Cos inverse of sin of 2 theta. So you can write this formula as or this sin 2 theta as in terms of cos. ये बाहर क्या है, cos inverse है. So you can convert the sin in the terms of cos. Cos of 90 minus 2 theta. Cos of 90 minus 2 theta. Cos of 90 minus 2 theta क्या हो जाएगा, sin 2 theta. Cos inverse of cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So this is your value for x. So x is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 into theta. Theta का value क्या है, tan inverse of t. So differentiate with respect to t. So what is dx upon dt? Dx upon dt derivative of a pi by 2 is 0. Minus 2 scalar taken outside, derivative of tan inverse t 1 upon 1 plus t square. 1 upon 1 plus t square. So it is equal to minus 2 divided by 1 plus t square. This is your value for dx upon dt. This is your value for dx by dt, minus 2 divided by 1 plus t square. Now we will see what is dy by dt. We will see what is dy by dt. And y is equal to sec inverse of 1 plus t square. Again for root 1 plus t square, same substitution. For t is equal to tan theta. Hence what is theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse of t. जहाँ पे आप सब्स्टिट्यूशन कर रहे हो वहीं पे थीटा का वैल्यू भी निकाल लो. ओके, मीन्स व्हाट इज y? y इज इक्वल टू सेक इनवर्स ऑफ रूट ऑफ 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज टी स्क्वायर? tan square theta. So it is sec inverse of 1 plus tan square theta, sec square theta. So sec inverse of root of sec square theta, root of sec square theta is sec theta. And what is sec inverse of sec theta? It is equal to theta. And what is theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse of t. Theta is equal to tan inverse of t. So differentiate with respect to t. So what is dy by dt? dy by dt is equal to 1 upon 1 plus t square. dy by dt is equal to 1 upon 1 plus t square. Let this equation be 2. Now by derivatives of parametric functions, by derivatives of parametric functions, what is the formula? dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx upon dt. So what is the value for, formula, what is the value of dy by dt? 1 upon 1 plus t square divided by dx by dt का वैल्यू क्या आया है? minus 2 upon 1 plus t square. So 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square get cancelled. So the answer is minus of 1 by 2. dy by dx is equal to minus of 1 by 2. This is your problem with inverse function with expression. Inverse function with expression. पूरा problem हमने substitution method से solve किया है. And dy by dx is equal to minus of 1 by 2. X is a function of t, y is also a function of t. So ये problem दो types का combination है. In this problem we are using derivatives of parametric functions also and derivatives of inverse function with substitution also. Okay, this is very important problem. Thank you students. Thank you. So ये हो गया आपका final dy by dt.